Hi, I'm Matthew Perrine with the Springfield Wellness Team. This month, we are focusing on healthy eating habits. So we're gonna bring you guys some videos each week that show tips and some recipes for healthy eating. Today, we're gonna talk about meal prepping. Meal prepping is great because it, number one, saves time. Number two, it saves money. And three, it helps you make a routine to continue your healthy eating. So our first tip for the day is to pick one day each week that you set aside for your meal prepping. This allows you to get into a routine and make it part of your weekly schedule. It's also great because you can make it a family event. My wife and I do it Sunday afternoons, and it's a great way that we spend quality time together each week. Our next tip is to buy meal prep containers. Now, there are a couple options out there. The first option is you can get plastic containers, and your second option is glass containers. The plastic containers are great because they're a little bit cheaper, but they can break and they don't hold up as well over time. The second option, glass container, is great because they clean well and they're much more durable. However, they're a little bit more expensive up front. Either way, meal prepping is great to eat healthy, save time and money. So make sure you send us those pictures of those healthy meals you guys are going to be creating, and try meal prepping this week. Look forward to seeing those pictures.